Oh, I wish I were an Oscar Mayer wiener. Yes, they sent me a remote-controlled weenie mobile, and I'm having way too much fun with it. Jedi is upstairs, so there's no chances of her getting hit. 2 of the weenie wheels are controlled by this wheel, which makes it difficult to control when I'm holding onto the camera at the same time as trying to control the weenie. Sorry, Pixie. I'll stop playing with it. Or will I? That is a fast weenie. A speedy weenie! It's all fun and games until Daddy starts to destroy the child-proofing stuff.
Can I play with it before you put it away, maybe? Dare I ask? Come on, Dad. Let me play.
How many times have I said that you should not play with remote-controlled wieners? The only weenie we need around here is Chris.
Okay, I tried the wiener. I found some of your animal cracker crust on my glasses, Jedi. Just so you know, I really don't like animal crackers. Hi! Go ahead. Change the source. That is a stormtrooper. It's a shirt that Daddy hasn't worn in quite a while.
I know, I haven't seen you in white in a while. Looks good.
Makes me look less white.
It brings out your skin tone.
Do you want Daddy to hold you? Did you miss that? Lean on me.
Boing. Janet, where's my nose? Where's my nose? That's your nose. There's my nose. Oh, good. Where's Daddy's nose? Good
Yeah,
job.
that's exactly where it is. There we go. As good as new. I gotta put on a belt. It feels like my pants are going to fall down the more I keep walking around. I could stop walking around, but that's impractical. As opposed to what I'm doing now. Hang on, they're coming off. Or maybe not. My butt's too big. I'm officially a black belt with electrical tape. I've got good news and bad news. The good news is I have these 2 Lego Advent calendars. The bad news is I'm already a few days behind. The good news is I get to open all of it. The bad news is I don't think I can do it all in one day. The good news is the city version was on sale, if you remember, and Betsy Weber had sent me the Star Wars Lego Advent calendar. The C-3PO Santa looks interesting, but I can't say that it looks like an incredibly unique minifigure. The hands are gold, the head's gold, the legs are gold, but that's a regular Santa torso. Not that I'm complaining, because I'm not. I hate ketchup, but we need to catch up on 4 days. I'm going to delay gratification to find out if Diana wants to do it with me. Right now, she's preoccupied with sorting through some clothes in Jedi's bedroom. Wow, we don't have a lot of gas left. I need to fix that. By not driving. I miss this, moving in a vehicle without turbulence.
Why do you never say that you miss me? Huh? No, you just stick me away next to the ashtray, which you never use for ashes, and then you wonder why my leg is bent. Okay, if you don't wonder that, I do. How the hell did it get this way?
Have you ever thought of the perfect present to give somebody, only by the time it comes time to get a gift, you've forgotten what that perfect gift was? For Diana's next birthday, I'm going to be lobbying the U.S. Congress to get the month name changed to Dianuary. Back in the gas line again. It's kinda like the saddle, but not really. I had to adjust my seat. The last person to sit here really needed lumbar support, apparently. I don't even know how much gas is per gallon right now. That's right, I'm helping destroy the planet one mail trip at a time. I probably shouldn't joke about that, if only because I realize that I'm part of the problem, which does not excuse my behavior. But I do my best. Wait a minute. Is this the line for the restroom? I got a postcard from Bubblicious. He's a sub on Twitch. You can see him showing up in chat at live.pirillo.com. That's me playing a game. We also got a package from Liz. Canadian Liz. And I know it's her because she put cats on the box. I don't know how I started getting this. They just started showing up. I just watched the latest issue last night. I mean, episode of the cartoon. I think I want to take my wiener out. Okay, let's see if anybody else is in the park. What did you think I was referring to? The batteries are dead? Already? I guess my wiener can't hold a charge. Diana's mom brought me a bunch of beef sticks. Shh. Beg more quietly. Jedi's napping. Daddy forgot to take his vitamins today. Vitamins, not dog food. Daddy does not take dog food. Diana hasn't started her advent calendars either. I can tell you what we're having for breakfast tomorrow, though. It's the Darth Vader waffle maker. It's from the same company that makes the Darth Vader toaster. It's got adjustable browning control with a stylish design and non-stick plates. Do you think I might be able to convince Mommy to try the Vegemite with me? It's got B vitamins for vitality. This is what Liz sent. Cat slippers, assumedly for Jedi, unless that's Diana's size. Some clothes, and I do believe these are Jedi size at this point. Poutine, or at least a packet that contains poutine gravy mix. The 12 Days of Christmas, a fold-out book for Jedi. Some Star Wars snacks, including one that has Darth Vader on it. This one will remain unopened, and the other two will likely be eaten very soon, and not by Pixie. She also sent a Kylo Ren ornament. This could be just about the only ornament we put on the tree. We don't take out Christmas ornaments all that often. Oh, and a note, handwritten. The pink gifts are for Jedi, the green for Diana, and the stripes are for Chris. They kind of look like bacon. Thanks, Liz. These are more crunchy than chewy. I don't know who Mr. Christie is, but I like his cookies. They're made of cacao. Kind of like my beef sticks. That wasn't funny? And a cartridge in Atari. That's a line on my sock.
I'm at the thrift store and Jedi fell asleep. But I found some stuff I want to show you guys. Look at this. All sweaters are 50% off. Isn't that so cute? It's the perfect ugly Christmas sweater. Oh my gosh, I nearly fell off. I found these PJs for me. Look, and they're Vera Wang. Isn't that awesome? And everything's half off, so that means this will be around $3 for the set. Found this for Jedi. Little PJs. I don't know if I'm getting all of this, but right now I'm picking this out, and then I go through them, make sure there's no holes, and make sure they're okay. This one, this cute coat. Isn't that adorable? It's so thick and warm. We'll see. And then this one I really like. Isn't that so cute? Let's see how much this one is. $7.99. That's a little pricey. I don't know. I mean, it's half off this, so it'll be around $4. I know. I mean, it's pricey for thrift store. So $4 is good. $7.99, I would probably pass on it. And then this one, $3.99. So this is good. This will be around $2. Yes.
Thanks again for taking the time to watch, like, share, subscribe, leave positive comments, participate with us on this and every other social platform every single day, and of course, supporting us in whatever ways that you see fit. We'll see you tomorrow.